What's up, guys? It's your boy G. Have you ever been frustrated with blurry, dark, or even overexposed photos? Well, today we're going to fix that problem for you, okay? I'm going to tell you 3 camera settings that will instantly improve your photography. Let's go. All right, guys, let's talk about shutter speed. You might be asking, what is shutter speed? Well, shutter speed refers to how long your camera sensor is exposed to light. Here's a rule of thumb for you, okay? If you're shooting handheld, shoot 1/200 or higher. If you have action shots like kids running around or maybe a car moving and you want to freeze it, at that point I would advise shooting around 1/500 or greater. Now, if you're in a low light situation, I would advise that you use a lower aperture or increase your ISO to get that proper shot. All right, guys, let's talk about aperture, okay? You may be asking, what is aperture? Aperture refers to how much light is introduced to your camera sensor when you press the shutter button, okay? So, rule of thumb, if you're looking to isolate your subject and have that blur around them, I would suggest that you shoot in a low aperture, something around 1.2, 1.4, 2.0, 2.8, something around there, okay? But if you're shooting something like a group shot or landscape, I would suggest that you use a higher aperture, something around the f5.6, an f6.3, or even the f8, f11, something around there, okay? There's a saying that if you want that professional looking blur, drop that f-stop and watch the subject pop. All right, guys, so the next setting we're going to talk about is ISO. You may be asking, what is ISO? Well, ISO refers to your camera's sensitivity to light. Now, for the cleanest image, I would suggest that you use the lowest ISO. Now, you may be in a situation where you're in a low light environment and you may need to increase your ISO, and it's perfectly fine. But just be mindful that whenever you increase that ISO number, the likelihood of you introducing grain to your photos increases. All right, guys, so with that being said, I appreciate you tuning in. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you thought about the video today. Tell me what you want to learn about next, because I'm all about each one teach one over here, you heard? So I hope you guys stay prayed up, keep shooting, keep working, keep hustling, keep grinding. And with that being said, keep on getting better. Holla at your boy. Peace.